song of praise. Yeah, yeah. You know,
from just north of the equator, along the 18th parallel, is terroir unlike anywhere else on earth, where the limestone karst gives birth to springs of crystal blue. A place where morning sunshine and afternoon rains bless the rich red dirt so that it gives rise to endless fields of sugarcane. We cut it,
the story goes on and on and on and on
and press it and cook it until it becomes the finest molasses,
I express myself this way.
blended with the mineral-rich waters of the karst, distilled in small batch copper pot and column stills to make young, raw rum. We barrel this tempestuous daughter of sun and rain in aged oak, and we wait, and we wait, and we wait, until the blender's hands say it has earned the right to be called the pride of Jamaica. This is Appleton Estate Aged Rum.
What the people of the room want to say, but when I do know my friend.
From Jamaica, with love.